Hello, this is Theo Marshall from MarineMax Boston, and today we're going to be taking a look at the 2019 Boston Whaler 150 Montauk. Starting at the stern here, we have a Mercury 60 horsepower 4-stroke engine, additional seating in the stern along with the boarding ladder here to get in and out of the boat. You'll see the stainless steel rails going up both sides of the boat, along with the seat here in front of the console. That's actually a flip seat, so you can face both ways. Here at the console, you got your throttle, your gauges, along with some extra storage room inside the console. As we go over to the starboard side of the console, you'll notice a little inlet here for some storage for all your bait and tackle, whatever you may need. As we make our way up to the bow here, you'll see rod holders, cup holders, along with a cooler that can double as a seat. Here, of course, you have your anchor compartment, your ankle hold and storage, so whatever you may need to stash in there. So this here was the 2019 150 Boston Whaler Montauk. For any additional questions or information, please call us at 781-875-3619. Thank you.